Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified P1 2021 A220. This one's a polar white. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 188 horsepower and 221 pounds of torque. This one comes with the night package with black accents on the exterior, AMG line with the AMG interior and exterior, diamond style grille up front, 18-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels, classic red and black leather interior with an aluminum trim, panorama sunroof, rear spoiler, A220 4MATIC badging, set of all-season and regular floor mats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, ambient lighting. Popping in, we've got our touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, a rear view backup camera, touchscreen media display, dual climate controls, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. New to Mercedes-Benz is our MBUX. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes." Change ambient light to green.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
Simple as that. You're able to use it like any other smart device. This A220 has 4,548 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this A220 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.